Today 21st of August, so I'm gonna replant my small strawberries in their prepared new bed. Also, I will separate them today from the big bush because they still have stalks between each other, so I'm gonna cut them and replant. Big bush from the babies, so we need to cut them. Because they have already a big root, so they can eat by themselves. They don't need any more help. Oh, one more. So this what I separate. I'll take this one, this bush. First what I'm doing, I clean it from the old leaves. And now I'll show you, even we can take this one also. Now I'll show you the root. Look at the root. Root is perfect, huge, so this is amazing. This is perfect to plant. Strawberries is ready. Now I will start to plant them. I dig the hole, add water, and plant strawberry. You see, huge roots, nice strawberry plant. And here I have a runner from the big bush. So what I'm gonna do, I'm not cutting it. I just make a little hole, put some water, put the runner in, and leave it. Just take this part. This is second runner that we don't need it. All the hard job is done. All strawberries in bed. We plant them, finished. So now we just need to water them. One-year-old strawberries, and this is new, their runners. So waiting for next May for harvesting.